Okay, now we're back to our guided meditation. So please stop talking, stop thinking, stop reading. Assume a comfortable posture, whether sitting or standing. Keep your back erect. Relax. Keep your eyes open. And look at the screen. Again, ask yourself a simple question. What can the mind be conscious of happening right now? What else? Since the mind is object dependent, if it's not thinking, not imagining, not lost in daydreaming, it's got to be conscious of something. And what else for the five senses?
From an automaker
你好，凯迪。
to a coffee chain and major fashion brands.
He is the one.
18-year-old Eileen Gu is the face of ad campaigns for about 30 Chinese and Western companies. The US-born freestyle skier has become an overnight sensation, winning her first gold medal while representing China at the Beijing Winter Olympics.
I definitely feel as though I am just as American as I am Chinese.
She's also fluent in English and Mandarin, which she speaks with a Beijinger's accent.
所以如果有的话，是因为我。
Remember also to watch the mind's reaction. Observe how your mind responds to what is being perceived. The comments going on in the mind. How these comments arise. But not trying to figure it out intellectually. Free and easy, touch and go at the five senses. Take it easy. Allow the mind to pick up whatever is perceived at the five senses. As long as it stays with the five senses and not get caught up in thought, then you are safe. are the anchor, rule of thumb, to still the monkey mind. Accept all things, don't reject, follow or ignore. Acknowledge them, anchor mind to the five senses. Free and easy, touch and go at the five senses.
Those weapons of mass destruction got to be somewhere. Nope, no weapons over there. Maybe under here.
The anchor is a rule of thumb for watching the sixth sense, the mind. Free and easy, touch and go is a rule of thumb for anchoring the mind to the five senses. For free and easy, touch and go, you don't have to acknowledge what you perceive through the senses. You just touch and go. You are not interested in the objects of the senses. Remember, accept all things, don't reject, don't follow, don't ignore, acknowledge what's going on in the mind, come back to the five senses.
Russian forces hit the central square of Ukraine's second-largest city on the sixth day of war, as the attack left buildings near the local government headquarters in ruins. Residential areas have also come under heavy shelling as Russia hit non-military targets. The news agency Storyful said it corroborated and verified the location of this footage. The surveillance video appears to show a series of explosions outside an apartment complex in Kharkiv, as several people ran for cover. Homes were destroyed, and the city's governor said on Monday that at least 10 civilians were killed as continued shelling interfered with rescue efforts. Many residents concerned about the attacks took cover in makeshift shelters and basements.
С нами находятся маленькие дети, с нами находятся пожилые люди. Ну, собственно говоря, очень страшно.
Russian President Vladimir Putin said no strikes targeting civilians were carried out and blamed what he called Ukrainian nationalists for attacking residential areas, according to state media.
Whatever thoughts, memories, comments, observe them. Don't proliferate. Don't get caught up with your thoughts. Look at how they arise due to causes and conditions. Then come back to the five senses. Accept all things, don't reject, follow or ignore. Acknowledge them, anchor mind to the five senses. So in this session, if your mind is composed enough, you will be able to see how it responds or reacts to sense stimuli. And hopefully you could also see the causes and conditions behind your reaction. How they are based on past conditioning, present circumstances, on certain value systems, beliefs, ideas that you have. These thoughts just arise, not because you deliberately cause them to arise, but because of specific causes and conditions.